minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk. Please welcome Jackie Lou. How are you going?
I don't know. By God's grace,
I understand.
by God's love, I take it a day at a time, which is the same thing I tell my children. Let's take it a day at a time. There will be a day when we're okay, the next day we're not okay, and it's okay. Because there are no shortcuts to grief. You know that, Tito Boy,
Yes.
when you lost your nanay. But for me, I think it was harder because my brain couldn't process that I lost mom and then now I lost Ricky. It's like there are days I'm thinking of mom and crying for mom, and then after a while I'm crying for Ricky and crying for my children because I know how hard it is for them and how hard it will be for a long time. Yeah.
Did he know na pumanaw na ang Tita Pilits?
No, in the beginning I was thinking, should we tell him? But my kids were saying, Mom, no na lang, he'll feel bad. Wag na lang. So we didn't.
They were very close.
Sabi ko nga when Ricky and I got separated, yun na hindi nawala my mom's love to Ricky and Ricky's love to my mom. It was always there. And that's such a blessing to have that.
Yung eulogy. Oo. Kung saan tinawag mo pa si Amaye,
Si Malca at
at saka si
Cheryl.
Ano ang kwento sa likod ng eulogy?
That actually started, Tito Boy, kasi when we were in the hospital, and I also said this in my eulogy, the doctor took me aside and he said, Jackie, can I talk to you? Sabi ko, okay. And she said, I just wanted to know how to address everyone. Sabi ko, what's the doctor talking about? So sabi niya, you are, yes, I'm the wife, but yeah, we've been separated for long. And that girl in the red, sabi ko, that's Malca, that's Ricky's girlfriend. Yung isa, sabi ko, nanay naman yung, youngest ni Ricky. Sabi niya, at okay po kayong tatlo. Okay naman kami, obviously, we're all here. So, to my mind, it just came out of parang ay the Lorna Fe kaming tatlo. Kasi tatlo, di ba? Tapos pag kami,
Pelikula mo yun,
di
di ba?
ba?
Yes,
Pag
okay.
dalawa lang kami ni Malca, dalawang misis mo yan. But, my eulogy, the only thing that was in my mind was I wanted to honor Ricky more as a father and grandfather. And I wanted to thank Malca because she really took good care of Ricky. Yung ay the Lorna Fe, lumabas na lang yun because yun nga yung joke namin.
Jackie, you have my love.
Thank you.
You have my love.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.